stop for a second. You understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. You start thinking, is this correct? What if I say it wrong? Someone is looking at you, waiting for your answer, and you just smile and say nothing. If this feels like you, this video is for you. Hey, I'm Gwen, and this is Fluent Core English. Today, you will train your mouth to respond instantly, without freezing. But listen, if you only watch and don't speak, your English will not change. So speak with me, even if it feels slow, even if you feel nervous. Just open your mouth and speak. Good. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. Now say it like you really mean it. Good morning. Now a little faster. Good morning. Yes, this is how your speaking starts. How are you today? How are you today? Now like a real answer. I feel good. I feel good. I feel ready for today. I feel ready for today. I'm excited to start. I'm excited to start. Feel that? Your mouth is already moving faster. Now quickly, don't think. I'm ready. I'm awake. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm awake. Let's go. Good. You're not stuck anymore. Now slow down. Breathe. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Give me a second. I'm thinking. Give me a second. I'm thinking. Most people stop here because they feel shy, but you're still speaking. I can try, even if I feel nervous. I can try, even if I feel nervous. I can speak English today. I can speak English today. Now say it with confidence. I can speak English today. You don't need perfect English. You just need to start. Now, let's wake up your mouth more. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I would like some water. I would like some water. If it feels hard, it's okay. Just try. Now faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Yes, it's a little tricky, but your mouth is learning. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. This is where your speaking improves. Don't skip this part. Good. Keep going. You are doing better than you think. Because in the next part, someone will ask you a question, and this time you will answer instantly, without freezing, like real life. Stay with me. Now, this is where your English becomes real. You can say, I'm going to work, and I'm practicing my English in the morning. I'm going to work, and I'm practicing my English in the morning. That's powerful. You are starting your day with English, and that changes everything. Be honest, most people don't do this, but you are doing it right now. Okay, let's keep going. Now I want to know more about you. What do you usually eat for breakfast? You can say, I usually eat rice and eggs. It gives me energy. I usually eat rice and eggs. It gives me energy. Nice. That sounds good. Do you prefer hot or cold drinks in the morning? You can say, I prefer hot drinks. I start my day with coffee. I prefer hot drinks. I start my day with coffee. See, you're not just repeating, you're answering. Now, one more. What is one thing you want to improve this week? You can say, I want to speak English more confidently this week. I want to speak English more confidently this week. I love that answer, and you're already doing it. Right now, you are speaking, not thinking, speaking. Now, let's go deeper. This time, longer answers. Do you think it's important to practice English every day? Why? You can say, yes, I think it's important. When I practice daily, it becomes a habit. And habits make everything easier. What is the hardest part of speaking English? You can say, the hardest part is thinking in English, not translating first. Yes, that's exactly what most learners feel. And the solution? What you're doing right now. Speaking more. Good. Keep going. Now we move to longer sentences. Repeat, then follow my speed. Today I want to improve my English. Today I want to improve my English. I want to speak clearly and confidently. I want to speak clearly and confidently. Say it like you believe it. I am not afraid to make mistakes because I learn from them. I am not afraid to make mistakes because I learn from them. Every day I practice, I get better. Every day I practice, I get better. This is how your confidence builds. Don't stop now. Now, real life work English. Can you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower? Let me think about that for a moment. These sentences will help you in real conversations. Now, casual English. I haven't seen you in a long time. That was really funny. What have you been doing lately? This is how real people talk. And now, so do you. Now, a short story. Repeat with me. Yesterday was an interesting day for me. I woke up early and went for a walk. The weather was cool and peaceful. I thought about my goals. I felt thankful for my progress. Simple, but powerful. You just told a story in English. How does that feel? Different, right? You didn't just repeat today, you spoke about your life. And that is how real speaking begins. Now I have a challenge for you. Do this again, tomorrow. Just 10 to 20 minutes. After 3 days, it feels easier. After 5 days, your mouth remembers. After 7 days, it feels natural. Now go to the comments and write, Day 1 done. If this helped you, subscribe to Fluent Core English and come back tomorrow. You are not alone. You are improving. Keep speaking. Keep going. I'm Gwen, and I'll see you tomorrow.